Hey guys, I've seen a ton of questions on this. I just did my lower intake manifold gasket because it was bad. And in turn doing that, you have to take off your valve cover here. You got to take off all of this, all the electrical connections and everything. I've seen a lot of questions on it for multiple different vehicles. When you put it all back together, it's not starting. It's not trying to turn over. It's not cranking or anything. I found out what the issue was in my case, and it seems like it would be a lot of other cases. You got one wire here that's right next to your airbox and everything. It actually goes down and underneath, and there is an eyelet down there. Let's see, I don't know if you can see it. It's right there. That eyelet right there is it's a ground wire, and mine actually completely had broken off. Because when you're pulling on all these wires and everything like that, I believe that's the issue that people are having. So I hope this helps. It's just a short one. If you guys do like it, make sure you do leave a like and a comment if you have any other questions about it. Yeah, but other than that, thanks for watching, guys.